Have you ever considered canceling a subscription because it wasn't worth it? Many think a product's worth is based on price or features, but it's also about user experience. According to Forbes, 97% of customers with a bad experience change their future purchasing decisions. My name is Aurelia. Along with my colleagues Nathan, Wendy, and Althea at NAAW Consulting, we have developed AimLearn, a solution leveraging AI and machine learning. To start off, MYOB captured a third of the accounting software market by being an early pioneer, founded in 1991, and they have been consistently releasing new software versions with innovative features. Their strong foothold was built by offering tailored solutions for small to medium enterprises and providing daily support from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. on weekdays to meet consumer needs. Moving on to the current market conditions, the global accounting software market is set to grow by 13.9 billion by 2031 with a CAGR of 8.02%. Each year, an average of 387,000 small to medium enterprises enter various markets, offering MYOB a chance to boost their annual revenue each year by 9 million AUD. Additionally, the growth of small businesses into medium-sized enterprises in 2023 led to an increase in revenue through upgrades to higher subscription tiers. Research shows that MYOB's user interface and after-sales support are major barriers to a good consumer experience, with many users switching to competitors like Xero for better usability and instructional materials. MYOB needs to improve its UI and learning resources as many new business owners only have basic accounting skills. Additionally, MYOB lacks a customizable feature which could save time for users. To improve its market position, MYOB must focus on product differentiation and modernizing traditional accounting processes. Now let's meet Jenny, a 45-year-old medium enterprise owner with basic accounting skills. Jenny represents a typical MYOB customer and faces many pain points throughout her customer journey. When searching for an accounting software, Jenny finds that many options have similar features. She considers MYOB for its unlimited payroll plan, but notices its other features are lacking in comparison to their competitors. Additionally, MYOB's subscription options, payroll only, basic, or advanced, are more expensive than competitors' advanced features. Now, during the free trial, Jenny discovers MYOB is not user-friendly or personalized as she hoped. Jenny's needs reflect a significant portion of MYOB's current consumer base, as they want an easy-to-use software that efficiently manages their business finances. To reduce customer churn, MYOB must address the lack of differentiation, functionality, competitiveness, and consumer centricity to provide a personalized, hassle-free experience. Now, this brings us to Nathan to discuss AimLearn's concept.
Considering those opportunities, we would like to introduce you to AimLearn. AimLearn is a recommendation engine that utilizes machine learning models to generate recommendations based on peers' performance and preference. This solution will help reduce churn by suggesting features and tools that other users in the same industry are utilizing. This personalized experience makes users feel understood and catered to, increasing their satisfaction and loyalty. AimLearn also improves relationship between customers as AimLearn works as a bridge to connect customers without direct interaction and provide insights that are aligned with the workflows of accountants, bookkeepers, and SMEs, which fosters better collaboration among these stakeholders. AI will suggest features based on what other MYOB users in the same industries have been using and will also suggest recommendations to struggling companies based on the financials of other companies in the same industry. For example, if Company A is in the retail industry and their peers are using MYOB inventory reordering features, the feature is going to be recommended on their homepage. As another example, Company C is in the facility service industry and is struggling with their working capital. AimLearn will collect data from the facility services industry and give recommendations to improve Company C financial, where in this case would be by improving the receivable days. The AimLearn system consists of two main parts, which is the user activity tracking and financial data analysis. AimLearn will use Mixpanel to track users' interaction with features on the MYOB platform and use MYOB API to collect the financial data. Amazon Glue will be used to manage the ETL process, and raw data will be stored on Amazon S3, while processed and structured data will be stored on Amazon Redshift. To build and train the machine learning models, Amazon SageMaker will be used. For the recommendations, Amazon Personalize will be used to recommend features on the MYOB platform, An Amazon forecast will be used to forecast the financials based on historical data and current trends in the industry. The integration of the service will use Amazon API Gateway to connect it with the front end that is running on React.js. Now I will hand it over to Wendy.
Now I will briefly run through the cost estimation for implementing AIM-Learn into MYOB. The largest proportion of spending will be on data processing and storage layer, estimated at approximately 13,000 per month. The second largest expense will be front integration and monitoring, estimated at around 10,000 per month, given MYOB's current customer base capacity. The recommendation engineer layer will require about 1,170 per month. And lastly, the data collection API layer and machine learning will collectively account for only 2% of total spending, approximately of 500 per month. This leads to total estimated cost of AUD 24,000 per month to fully implement AIM-Learn at MYOB. Moving on to the estimated timeline of implementing AIM-Learn. The project would take around 12 months from the planning to its launch on MYOB's platform. The initial planning and UI/UX design will be made starting from August 2024. After the planning, development of the data infrastructure will start at October 2024, with the main goals of developing the user activity tracking system, financial data aggregation, and storage of that data. This step is followed by the development and training of the recommendation models, and these two processes will be the most time-consuming, set to be done by next year, February. In March 2025, we will start developing APIs for the recommendation engine and integrating it into MYOB's interface. The final testing period will be set on June with the launch of AIM-Learn on the following month. And now I will pass it to Althea.
Currently, 29% of businesses in the APAC region use AI and machine learning in their financial management activities. In 3 years, this is expected to grow to about 99%. Implementing AIM-Learn now means that MYOB will be at the forefront of this trend. With AIM-Learn, we expect MYOB's revenue to grow by 40% before 2027, with more businesses joining higher-tier subscriptions as an early bird to this innovation. Moreover, MYOB will also experience less churn with a 90% customer retention rate, with AIM-Learn differentiating MYOB and creating a good experience for customers. With our solution comes a few risks though. Analytics may initiate privacy concerns from users as their personal business information is analyzed by third-party AI and machine learning softwares. To mitigate this, MYOB can have transparency and consent terms and conditions informing customers of the types of data being collected and the purpose of its collection. Moreover, any sensitive information that is used during the analysis will be de-identified and deleted once the AI provides the recommendation. Another risk is the potential of a data leak. To mitigate this, MYOB can implement data encryption and access control measures to protect the data during analysis. Contractual agreements specifying data handling procedures, security measures, and penalties for breaches can also be implemented to address this risk. To wrap it all up, we asked the question, how can MYOB reduce customer churn rate? Considering that competitors are also constantly innovating with a focus on good customer experience to tackle the growing number of medium to larger enterprises, we came up with AIM-Learn, a solution that utilizes machine learning and AI to provide personalized, data-driven tips and recommendations to improve customer experience. While it will cost about $24,000 per month, implementing AIM-Learn will not only result to a 40% revenue growth in 3 years, but also increase consumer retention rate to 90%.